Hi, welcome back to Krish's Mega Health Program. As told in Bhagavad Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, Quran, Bible, Vedas and Puranas that we are powerful, eternal, never-ending souls with great powers which is residing in this physical body and due to which limitations are there. As this physical body is like a chariot for the soul to travel through the life consciously in order to gain the knowledge. Lord Krishna says that this chariot consists of 5 horses which runs this chariot. Here, 5 horses are compared to the 5 senses of the human body. Therefore, these horses should be controlled by the soul in order to travel. The purpose of the eternal soul is to control the 5 senses and to move in a right direction to gain the knowledge. So it is the duty of the soul to fuel this chariot called human body with right kind of fuel and run in the right direction consciously and increase the lifespan of human body. Today, I am going to tell you about right fuel, that is real food for the human body. These are the right kind of food with a vital energy filled in them. They have positive vibrations and auras. All fresh green vegetables provide us positive auras. They are one source transfer energy from one source to another. These foods are alive with energy filled in them. Our body uses vital energy from these real foods to run. Now I'll show you an experiment that real foods are alive foods with energy in them and have the capacity to conduct electricity which dead foods don't have. Here is a simple arrangement to check the conductivity of the real foods. These are 2 electrodes connected in a series with the bulb through which we can test the conductivity of real foods and dead foods. This is apple, which has all the vibrations of auras and positive vibration. It contains vital energy in it. Now I am going to check conductivity in this. This is orange, which has all the vital energy in it and has positive vibrations and auras. Now I am going to check the conductivity in it. This is banana, which has all the vital energy present in it and has positive vibration and auras in it. Now I am going to check the conductivity in banana. This is potato, which has all the vital energy filled in it and has positive vibration and auras. Now I am going to check the conductivity in it. This is carrot, which has all the vital energy filled in it. It has positive vibration and auras. Now I am going to check the conductivity in it. This is brinjal, which has all the vital energy filled in it. It has positive vibration and positive auras in it. Now I am going to check the conductivity in it. This is tomato, which has all the vital energy filled in it. It has positive vibration and auras in it. Now I'm going to check the conductivity in tomato. Now I'm going to check the conductivity in dead foods. The bulb does not glow. The glowing bulb itself proves the presence of energy in these real foods, whereas there is no conductivity in dead foods. Therefore, the energy food contains all vital nutrients, antioxidants, and all the 5 elements in this universe, which builds our body, each cell, tissues, organs, and all the hormones. Thus, these food increases the lifespan, but whereas dead foods decreases the lifespan, causing diseases. So my dear friends, start consuming the real foods and increase your lifespan. Slogan of the day is go for fresh and be fresh. With these words, I end my today's program. I'll be back with some more healthy tips. Till then, goodbye.